Before dispensing begins, the workshop needs to maintain the appropriate temperature and humidity to ensure the stability of the glue performance. Workers should wear gloves and protective glasses when using glue to avoid contact with skin and eyes. For the dispensing process, the glue batch and dispensing time used should be recorded for traceability and quality management. The endoscope camera structure is smaller, so it is more fine. Manual installation of steel sleeve is faster. The type of glue uses instant glue epoxy resin for bonding. The use of dust-free cloth, an appropriate cleaning agent to clean the adhesive surface of the endoscope module. In order to remove oil and dust, according to the design requirements, apply glue evenly to designated areas. After the glue is completely cured, the appearance inspection is carried out to ensure that there is no bubble and no glue leakage.